The mystery of the ocean's depths is something humanity still hasn't fully understood. Did you know that only 5% of the ocean has been explored? Today, we'll explore everything from the sunlit zone to the terrifying Mariana Trench, where giant squids, glowing fishes, and alien-like creatures live. So get ready, because this journey will take you into the darkness of the ocean, where there's no light, but strange and mysterious life exists. Let's dive into this mystery. Welcome back to Cherry on Top, your own YouTube channel for awesome facts and mind-blowing info. Today, we're diving into something truly mysterious. Literally, have you ever wondered just how deep the ocean really is? It's deeper than you think, and we're about to go way, way down. So, grab your gear and let's take a plunge into the abyss. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's break it down layer by layer, and trust me, there's a lot more beneath the surface than what we usually see. 1. The Sunlit Zone, Epipelagic Zone. Alright, first stop, the Sunlit Zone, also known as the Epipelagic Zone. This is where most of the action happens. We're talking about the top 200 meters, or 656 feet, of the ocean, where sunlight still penetrates. This is where you'll find the coral reefs, most fish, and marine plants. Think of it as the ocean's living room, where 90% of marine life hangs out. It's beautiful, right? But this is just the beginning of our journey. Let's go deeper. 2. The Twilight Zone, Mesopelagic Zone. As we dive down to 200 to 1000 meters, 656 to 3280 feet, things start to get a little spooky. This is the Twilight Zone, or the Mesopelagic Zone. Sunlight barely reaches here, and as a result, it's home to some of the most unique creatures on the planet. You've probably seen these glowing creatures in documentaries. They light up the dark with their natural glow, bioluminescence. Isn't that amazing? But wait, it gets even darker from here. 3. The Midnight Zone, Bathypelagic Zone. Now, we're entering the Midnight Zone, also called the Bathypelagic Zone. This is where things get serious. We're talking depths between 1000 and 4000 meters, 3280 to 13,000 feet. There's no sunlight at all here. It's pitch black and freezing cold, with temperatures just above freezing. In this complete darkness, giant squids and other bizarre creatures roam. Remember, these creatures have adapted to survive in conditions we can barely imagine. Oh, and by the way, this is the zone where sperm whales come to hunt these giant squids. It's like something straight out of a science fiction movie. 4. The Abyss, Abyssopelagic Zone. We're still going deeper into the Abyssopelagic Zone, also known as the Abyss. Sounds pretty dramatic, right? This zone extends from 4000 to 6000 meters, 13,000 to 20,000 feet. Here, life becomes even scarcer. The pressure is immense, and only the hardiest organisms can survive. Tube worms, weird fish, and sea cucumbers live in one of the harshest environments on Earth. And yet, life still finds a way. It's insane how adaptable nature is. 5. The Trenches, Hadalpelagic Zone. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we're entering the deepest, most mysterious part of the ocean, the trenches, or the Hadalpelagic Zone. This is where the ocean floor plummets down to its greatest depths, like the Mariana Trench, which goes as deep as 11,000 meters, or 36,000 feet. To put that in perspective, if you dropped Mount Everest into the Mariana Trench, it would still be covered by over a mile of water. Can you believe that? We've sent more people to the moon than to the bottom of the Mariana Trench. It's how unexplored and mysterious it is down there. 6. Pressure and life in the depths. So, what's it like down there? Well, the pressure at the bottom of the ocean is over 1000 times greater than at the surface. That's like having the weight of 50 jumbo jets pressing down on you. Despite this, certain creatures, like the deep-sea snailfish, can survive here. They've evolved to handle the crushing pressure and freezing temperatures. It's like an alien world, right here on Earth. 7. Why we explore the depths. So, why do we keep exploring these dark, deep places? The truth is, we've only explored about 5% of the world's oceans. There's still so much to discover, new species, new ecosystems, and even resources that could benefit humanity. Deep sea exploration helps us understand our planet better, and who knows what kind of life forms we might still find down there, maybe even clues about life beyond Earth. So, there you have it, guys. The ocean is deep, dark, and full of mysteries. From the sunlit zone where most marine life thrives, to the mysterious huddle zone where only a few creatures can survive, our oceans are a vast, unexplored frontier. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the ocean, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Cherry on Top for more awesome facts and fascinating content.